Welcome to Cooking with Munchies. My name is Christine, and today we are going to do a video on live crawfish. Right now it is crawfish season until June, and we decided to buy a 37-pound bag of live crawfish for the first time. And I am so excited to share this with you guys. And we're going to go ahead and get straight into this video. I used to buy my crawfish from Walmart, and y'all, them damn crawfish do not look this red. So it's best to buy them fresh. This crawfish bag was so heavy that we had to use a two-wheeler to pull it out of our truck. So yes, I highly recommend Spicy Head Company in Nashville, Tennessee. They come through. They're coming through. We did have to clean them at least about 67 times. And what's so crazy is it was raining, thundering. So we did clean them about 3 or 4 times outside, and then we brought them in and cleaned them in the sink again. I did take out the dead ones, and then when I brought them in the house, some of them were kind of dead. So we're going to save them for some bait and stuff. So nothing's going to go to waste.
All of them are just like flipping and flopping. Would they get the fishing net? And I just said, and then we said,
It's a lot of these damn things.
Yeah, I think like way too little to do this yet. I feel like some like those are gonna like hit your finger.
Mom, he's mad.
Get you a small bag, man.
Wow, look at all those antennas.
Now, where was your antenna when they was stealing my stuff? I'm sorry.
Dad, can I try?
Oh, wait a minute, baby.
You're so cute.
I need water.
They're funny.
Help you. We'll lean it this way.
Take your time.
Oh, shit.
Take your time.
Yep. Where you going? You need Lee John to hold the net so he can keep them in.
Grab the net, Lee.
Okay.
Damn, there's still a lot in there.
Told you.
Oh, sorry, hey.
Oh, no.
Mom.
Oh, yeah, this is way more than 30.
I thought you would.
Why are you so cute? What? Look, he's mad. I just want to get... Mom? How long?
That one's mad. But watch out.
Look, he can't like in the sky, guys. Look, he can't like in the sky. Or he just kind of holding my arm up to say hi.
Turn it up.
He's trying to relax.
Mommy's trying to record. Okay, bye-bye.
Mommy.
Over there, I don't want it.
I see him. You can walk right home and see.
I'm in love with the folk. That's a good dedicated guy. I don't see not a lick of wind blowing outside, but it.
Daddy, can you walk?
Just for temporarily, Jaden.
It's a siren.
Yeah.
If it was constantly blowing and don't never stop, that's when you don't get it, but that's when
A corner!
Hey, little guy. Hey. line.
Still got these. Excuse me, baby. Excuse me, baby. And still got these. So we are cleaning these over here again.
Yeah.
These are already done.
Sorry, you have to go.
And we're gonna let them sit in the juices and then let them put them out.
Yeah, you have fun.
Just cleaned them. We have these still. These are just a few ones that weren't alive. We're gonna throw those away. And we still got probably 10 pounds right here. We got these right here. As big as well. And there's just a few ones that are dead, but it's okay considering that we have so much.
I'll be damn. I said, yeah. I was like, all right.